So now to prepare the very healthy leaf, fenugreek seed leaf, methi shak, known as the methi shak. Today, for all my cooking, I'm going to use the mustard oil. So that's also a traditional thing to celebrate any kind of, Bengali events, to prepare all the dishes with the special. So mustard oil is so good for you also, very healthy. So just a little bit of mustard oil, and then I'm gonna use, of course, I just told you. So I have already the mustard oil and then the onions. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna keep the rest of the onions for my lentils for my dal. Then comes, of course, a little bit of garlic. So that's my garlic. I already, have it. So it's the garlic here, and of course salt. That's it. So just fry it. Ooh. This is the food that will never make you fat, will cure your diseases like, all the toxic stuff. That's why the Bengali New Year they call leave all the toxicity behind. Botchorer aborjana dur hoye jag jag jag. That means leave all the stuff that's toxic. So this, fenugreek seed leaf will help you to toxify. This is also good if you want to detoxify your, whole body. So that's much important. So now the important part is this one, the green chili. I'm gonna put a little bit of, just put two, not too much. Oops, you can see. Ooh. So I'm just gonna show you again. Mustard oil, onions, salt, garlic, and green chili. That's it for the fenugreek. Okay. So it's almost done. Ready. Okay. Such a healthy, lovely dish, right? So now time for me to put the. You see, this is the fenugreek leaf, the methi shak. So, nature. So lovely, green, healthy. You see, that's it. I love the smell. Oh gosh, amazing. Beautiful. It's gonna become, very small after a while. So I'm done with the. That's it. That's it. Very simple. Easy cooking, right? Yeah. Beautiful. Now, just gonna cover it up and let it be cooked. That's it. So while doing this, I'm gonna also show you to make lentil soup, or we call it dal. Very easy. So for that, I'm just gonna be using this, red lentils. You can buy it from any Indian or Bangladesh, Pakistani grocery store. You see, so beautiful the color. Yeah, you see this, the dal, we call it the dal. Yeah, its color is orange. So for this lentil, I make it very simple. Like I do it very fast. Sometimes they do it 2-part, but I'm just gonna do it in everything 1 part. So for that, I'm just gonna use of course, onions, and then a little bit of the garlic. and the regular spice, which is the turmeric powder, and then green chili powder, oil, mustard oil, salt, and that's it. That's the basic Bangladeshi cooking. And you need, of course, a little bit water with it. All right, let's start.